Okay guys, I just want to get on real quick and really talk to you about what are the steps to shutting down a PMO, okay? So we've talked earlier about building a PMO, we've talked earlier about running a PMO, but now, sadly, we get to the point of shutting down a PMO. I've said multiple times I've ran 9 PMOs across my career, 9, which is a lot, and so I've actually had the opportunity of shutting down many of them. And so when we think about it, it's really important when we think about shutting down a PMO, what are we really doing here? Well, what we're doing is we're reversing the steps, right? We're reversing the steps of building and we're reversing the steps of running. And so it's really about thinking about what are all the things that we built when we built the PMO, what did we build when we're running the PMO? Because there's always a component of building there and you start shutting things down. Right? And so we really have that process, and I've outlined a number of processes. Let me just get to that real quick, of what it means to shut down a PMO. A lot of times it's executive support, but here they are, right? And so it's shutting down the PMO, you create a project schedule, you look at your resources and determine where they are and can you get them a different role. You shut down any mentoring and buddy systems. You shut down all your finances and all your billing. Any POs and any contracts in place. You shut down your software maintenance agreements. You shut down any PMO sites that you build, any SharePoint sites, any LAN drives, and then finally your PMO shutdown is complete. So what we've really documented is 7 key steps in shutting down a PMO, and what are the things that you will run through, and what are the things that you'll have to do to actually shut down your PMO. It's a sad time, it's a scary time, right? There's a lot of people that go through a lot of emotions in this, but as a PMO manager, that's just something that you're gonna have to deal with. That's just something that you will go and you will experience. I've done, again, I'm on my 9th PMO, so I've clearly been involved or I've been around shutting down 6 or 7 of them for various reasons, doesn't matter why, but I've actually had that practical experience, I've had that experience, and I think you as a PMO manager will experience that as well. So I just wanted to get on real quick and say, hey, when you're shut down a PMO, you've been asked to shut down a PMO, follow these steps, right? Of course, it's going to be different for your organization, but these are the fundamentals and things that you will have to follow. I've documented it all in my book, The PMO Lifecycle, Building, Running, and Shutting Down. It's not in my tactical guide for building a PMO book because the new one really gives you that full life cycle of building, running, and shutting down. That's all I had today. Just wanted to be real quick about it, but thank you very much. Appreciate all your help, and I'll talk to you soon. And please like, subscribe, and comment below. And really let me know, have you ever shut down a PMO?